All right, guys, you see it right here. It's alive. Phantom 3. God, it's been so long since I flew this thing. I mean, unbelievable. Let me start some video up. Okay, well, that still is working. Come back. Your aircraft has entered a warning zone, unpaved airport. Okay, yeah, sure. No problem. No problem, Chief. Wow. It's acting like a Xeno. It's a Xeno, but it's not, but it's acting like one. Wow. Man, it's been forever since I flew this. Okay, so that's ATTI mode. Let me put the GPS thing. I didn't remember what those little toggle switches did anymore. I'd forgotten. Wow. Still flying great. Cool. Yeah, still working good, man. God, all these years. Yeah, I don't care about no unpaved airport. I know what airport. That's a Monroeville Airport. Been closed for years. Oh yeah, it has the little light on the front that shows that it's recording the video. Wow. Yeah, it still works great, man. Wow. 2017 I bought this. Still got it. Anyway, I'm testing the battery because I didn't, the battery wouldn't charge actually. Okay, so it's 89%. Still, so the battery's still good. It's not like doing that where it drops real fast. So yeah, that's still hanging. I actually forgot a lot of the stuff on here. To be honest, I haven't flown it in so long. Yeah, I better not mess with it. It's flying good, right? I better not mess with it. Okay, there goes the gimbal. That's still working. It's a little muddy out here, by the way, guys. There's a plane. Hey, Bob, the plane. Yeah, that works out pretty cool. Okay, so I still got 80% battery, so this battery is still good. The battery is still good. That's a real plus. Wow, I'm just happy it's still flying. I had it for sale a couple of times, but nobody bid on it. You know, everybody wants everything for nothing now. You know, nobody wants to pay for nothing. They think that, you know, they deserve it for free, right? Yep, 70%. Been flying for a while. Man, this is still a great drone. Oh, seriously, this thing is still great. I think I hit that too much. Look at this thing, the way it still steers, man. Look at this. Wow, this thing's still fantastic. Wow, Phantom 3, wow. Still great, man. This thing still rocks. Who knew, right? Who knew? All right, guys, so I still got 61% battery, and it's been going for a while. So, yeah, so the battery's still good. I can take this out somewhere. I have to get my extender going when I go out somewhere because the range on it isn't that great. I mean, Eric, he gets great range on his. I don't know how he does it. He must be cheating. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video recording. That was recording for 10 minutes, so I got 10 minutes and there's still 58% battery left. So yeah, the battery's still A-okay, even though I haven't charged it in 3 years. I think it's the first time I ever landed it without it tipping over. Uh-oh. Come on down, baby. Okay, so I know how that's acting. All right, guys, there it is. Phantom 3. Wow. Still flying. Hee-haw. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.
That's all, folks.